This is the best ever collaboration ng P-pop. Go, Kyler! Ang galing! Super enjoy! Go Horizon! Hello peeps and hello everyone! Welcome back to my channel and welcome back to Darius Daddy Reaction Video. Eto, I'm so excited na magawa ng reaction video ang katatapos lang na Watson Playlist 2024. Ito ay yearly event ng Watson Playlist. And isa dito sa mga artist na to ay ang SB19 Horizon Alamat collab on stage. So ito super love it kasi nagsama sila in one frame. But before we continue this reaction video, if you're new to my channel, please subscribe and hit the notification bell and comment down there. Ako excited ako dito sa collaboration ng SB19 Horizon at Alamat. Finally, in one frame, nagsama-sama sila. So, ayun ang gagawa natin ng chika for today's video. Panoorin na natin to. Let's go sa go. Go! SB19 Horizon and Alamat. Excited dyan. Excited Akis dyan. Ganon. Yeah. Kulitan lang yan sila dyan for sure. Alamat. Go! Super cute nila dyan. Make some noise. 4. Horizon, Alamat, and SB19. Go sa go! Okay, panalo ang stage, ang production. Oo, hindi ni papaawat. Go! This is P-pop. I love the intro. Go, Papa Ken. Basiga. Oh my gosh! This is the best ever collaboration ng P-pop. Go, Kyler! Ang galing! Super enjoy! Go Horizon! Go! Go! Love it! Ay! Galing! Wow! Collab talaga to, collab. Alamat, go! Ba't ako naiiyak? Oh my God! Ano ka naiiyak? Ang Alamat din kasi, isa rin sa may mga galing din na K-pop group sa Pilipinas na hindi ko alam kung bakit hindi pa sila makalipad ng bonggang-bongga. Ang galing. Super, super, super saya. Oh my gosh. Ito na ba yung ano nila, closing remarks ng performance nila? Oh my gosh. Goosebumps. Talagang K-pop price talaga. Oh my gosh. And kasama na yung ibang artist na guest nila. I mean, yung kasama dun sa Watson playlist. Super, super, super galing. Wow. Alam mo, yung watawat ng SB19 na super 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 lalim na talaga ng meaning neto, and kumpara saan talaga yung kanta na yun. And then, nung ito, yung performance nila dito sa Watson na to, mas lalo kong na-gets yung meaning ng watawat. Nagiging, depende kasi kung paano nila pina-perform. And ito, dito sa Watson playlist, super big meaning ng Watawat for me. Kasi pinakita lang talaga ng SB19 na hindi lang sila, marami pang iba na talagang pinaglalaban ang culture, ang music at talent ng Pinoy. Ito yon yung sama-sama sila, tapos kinanta yung Watawat, tapos talagang wini-wave ng bawat artist, ng bawat dito sa playlist na to nakasama yung kanilang symbol. Oh my gosh, super genius, and this is the best collaboration and performance na napanood ko ever. Ang galing. So this is it. I hope you enjoyed this reaction video and ako'y nag-enjoy ng bonggang-bongga. So thank you so much for watching. Bye!